If the colder temperatures find you shivering under a blanket because you don't want to crank up the thermostat, a space heater could be your new best friend. Room heaters become a necessary purchase during the winter season. A space heater is a device that's used to heat a single, small area. So if you're looking for one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Check out our new video to get more details about the latest products on the market. HZ-200W offers powerful 1500 watt heat in a compact modern design. It packs powerful heating in a stylish compact design with 2 heat settings. Also, the low environment does not require as much electricity to operate, so it's more energy efficient and a better option for saving energy. Besides, the compact design of the Honeywell UberHeat ceramic personal heater makes it a natural addition for any number of settings. It can also be easily maneuvered from one location to the next. Moreover, the inclusion of an adjustable thermostat will afford owners a seamless approach to selecting their preferred temperature. On the other hand, overall safety has also been addressed with the additions of a tip-over switch, overheat protection, and cool touch housing. Another advantage is that the form and function of the heater make it ideal for use in small rooms, offices, on desks, and tabletops to create a warm, comforting environment. The Honeywell HZ-980 uses 6 long-lasting quartz elements and is designed for extra-large spaces. The Energy Smart thermostat uses energy wisely. It has an energy usage indicator that displays the amount of energy used at any specific time. Also, the digital LED lights accurately indicate the room's temperature and the desired temperature. Besides, the permanent filter helps prevent dust and particles from entering the heater. Moreover, it provides 1 to 8 hour automatic shutoff timer, and it uses 6 concealed non-combustible quartz elements to generate infrared heat. On the other hand, it comes with a robust metal interior construction with copper and stainless steel reflectors for enhanced heat.